What's the meaning of cardphone? Cardphone. Cardphone.
Cardphone. Cardphone. Cardphone is a term used to describe a mobile phone that is as thin as a bank card. These devices are typically the size of a credit card, making them ultra-portable and easy to carry around. They are designed for people who need a basic mobile phone for making calls and sending texts without all the added features and bulk of a regular smartphone. Cardphones are often more affordable than traditional smartphones and can be a good option for people on a budget or those who want a backup phone for emergencies or travel.